Subscribe my YouTube channel Technology Tips and Tricks. Also click on the icon for more videos of this kind.
Still closed, which is a good sign that this place hasn't gotten looted. Nothing in here is destroyed. That's a good sign this place hasn't got looted. Oh, doors are open. Okay, this place got looted 100%. So there's no point in me actually being here. I need to get out of here and get to the circle. I need to get somewhere where there's shields. That's my first priority, is to get somewhere where there's shields so I can actually stand a chance in fighting people. See, the factory's got looted. There's a guy over there, and there's a person over there fighting. So hopefully I can get over there and try and kill them, and hopefully they have shields. Someone sniped at me from behind. I'm not too worried about snipers in this game, just because that person was all the way on the opposite side. I hear someone in here. Oh, someone's trying to snipe me. Okay, so this guy behind me is trying to snipe me. See, he's waiting. I'm not going to peek him because he's waiting for me. That guy has shields. He has exactly what I need. Now this comes to who has more patience, this guy or me. So what I can do is I could edit this out and kill him just like that. That's all I had to do. Now I can go get this guy's shields, heal up for myself, get his mats, everything that I need. Come back over here. Oh, there's a guy over there. And I need to heal up. There's a guy over there where I killed that sniper at. There's a guy over there. I need to focus him next. I'm going to go back and get my impulse nades. And then we're going to push him. We're going to get a little aggressive. We have some shields. I just don't want this guy to... Oh, someone's in the middle of Loot Lake too. I'm going to show you guys a little aggressive push. I can impulse nade to him. Alright, so he's below me. I'm going to reload my shotguns. Just because I used a lot of shotgun ammo trying to get in there to him. Woo! Now someone's above me. I got to break out of here. Protect myself. Alright, I'm gonna impulse him off the edge. No! I survived. He fell and died. There's a chug jug up here I gotta get. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't believe that just happened. Storm's coming. I got a minute. Holy crap, you guys. Alright, that does not usually happen. I got extremely lucky right there. Whoo, boy. That's not something that usually happens, you guys. I'm going to get this guy's loot. Where'd he fall to? I think he fell up there. It's alright. I need mats now. I want to stay in the circle. I want to get his loot, though. I'm going to rush up here and try to get his loot. Just because I need more mats, you guys. I need material and stuff like that. I don't know exactly where he fell and died at. I can't find it. I gotta go. I gotta get in the circle. It's okay. I took a little fall damage. I literally probably am just gonna have to just hit things and get mats. Someone could be up there. I should have grabbed that sniper back there. But see, it's okay. I realize that I made a mistake, and I'm not gonna backtrack. I'm not gonna panic. I'm literally just gonna play it out. Now we're in the top 10 situation. Like I said, this is where the good kids are. This is where things get crazy. It looks like this mountain's in the circle, so what I'm going to want to do is get on this mountain. Because whoever is on this mountain is probably going to end up winning, because they have high ground. Oh! Oh, this dude fell. He is running for his life. There we go. Alright, so how I can get out of here is just build like that. Now I need to go get his material because I only have 100, as you guys can see. That guy was camping, was not expecting that, but instantly you guys saw the first thing I did was build to protect myself. Hopefully he had a lot of material. It doesn't look like he did. Okay, he had a decent amount. I have more than I had coming into that fight. So, good thing I won that fight. That's why winning your gunfights are still good, you guys. You can still win your gunfights, and it gets you material and stuff like that. So, everything has a plus to it. Now we're going to maintain high ground advantage and see what we can do up here. And there's a chest up here. And just wait. See, if I had a sniper, I could have sniped that girl right there. Whoever that is right there, I could have sniped him if I had my sniper. I'm going to try. Just put a few bullets into them. Don't peek. Like, as you guys can see, I'm not going to stay up there and keep shooting at them because I can get sniped, not just by that person, but there's 3 people alive still. So, whoever's over there, they can end up sniping me. So, I'm just going to play it safe, wait it out. This is the good people. So, they can hit their sniper shots. You don't have to peek anything you don't want to. Keep in mind, you guys, this is my very first game on today. So I haven't even warmed up. This is literally my warm-up game, and I'm showing you guys exactly how to try to get a victory royale in solos. So we know that there's 1 in there. We know there's 3 people alive. It says 4. I'm one of them. So there's 1 over there. I think there's 1 over there in that wooden base. And there's 1 that we don't know where he is. So we got to make sure we're checking our backside. Make sure he's not running up our ramp that we came up, and just we're sound whoring. We're listening. That's all we're doing. All right, see, they're shooting each other. That's fine. Let them fight. Let them fight because we want to get in the last situation where it's a 1v1. I only have, what, 2, 4, 5, 6, 700 material, which is not good. When it comes to a build-off, if I'm going against somebody that's really good at the game, they're most likely going to dog me. They're most likely going to end up killing me, and there's nothing I can do about it. All right, I see one of them. He's over there at Modern House. This guy's still in here. And there's 1 more we don't know where they are. But if the other person's hiding and it's quiet and you can't see them usually it means they're kind of a bad person. They're just playing it safe. They're doing exactly what we're doing, where we're just trying to hide, make it to the top 3 situation, which it is right now. And there's this guy up there. I could shoot down his base and kill him, but that means I'm going to peek. And I don't want to peek for that long. But I do have an RPG, so that's what I'm going to do. Because the RPG can do a lot of damage, and I can destroy his base, and he could fall. That's what I want him to do, is I want him to fall. He's building down, but it's too late. He fell, and he took fall damage. Alright. Now he doesn't have that high ground. But we aren't in the circle, so we got to get in the circle. That's what we need to do. We're going to farm a little bit more trees and stuff like that so we can get more mats. The storm is moving very slow, so we have time to farm these trees, get some more mats. Ooh, it's kind of coming quick. It's alright, though. We can outrun this storm. Don't be scared of the storm. Don't let the storm scare you from doing things. Because when it comes to the small circle, yes, it does a lot of damage, but if you know how to, time yourself, you can be safe. We're going to rush this guy because I think he's probably the best person in the game. And this is where you guys want to get aggressive. Once he's weak, he's healing up. He's probably trying to like protect himself and stuff. So we're going to RPG his base. Okay, so he's playing very defensive right now. We're going to build around us to protect ourselves. Oh, look. See, this guy's trying to rush. Let these 2 fight. And then I step in and I kill him. That easy, you guys. That's all you have to do. Remember, I have 12 kills in a solo game, giving you guys tips and tricks. That's all you have to do. Play it safe, play it smart. You literally have to outsmart the other people. I knew that guy was there, but I knew there was still 3 people alive. Me, the guy I was fighting, and there was 1 more. The other dude, I was checking my back, making sure he wasn't flanking, and what did I notice? He was flanking, but I had high ground, so the guy that flanked me, I don't know why he went for the other guy, but let them fight, and then you fight the last person, you guys. That's all it takes. Outsmarting the other person. If you guys please can give this video a thumbs up, I appreciate that more.